Okay, so this video is going to be about sanding the sides of your coasters when they come out after you resin them. And sometimes you have little pieces of resin on the side, or they just come out, see, like this, and they need to be sanded. So I went out and I bought this sander. It's a hyper tough orbital sander, and it's really easy to use. I used it yesterday, and I'm going to give you a little demonstration on how that works today. You don't have to use it all the time. See, sometimes your tiles come out like this. They come out really beautiful. I'm not going to put resin on these. I'm just going to put some varnish over them, some acrylic sealer. So some of them you don't have to. I'm going to paint the sides on this, but on the ones that have little nubs like this, I'm going to show you how we get rid of that today. As you can see, you have to be very careful when you're using this. You have lots of shards coming up, so be sure to use your goggles and use the respirator, your mask. I believe the N95 mask is used for this. I did give you a picture of the mask that they use for sanding. And you have to hold this tight. I'm wondering if possibly there might be some kind of vise out there that you can hold these coasters with. I'm going to be checking into that, and if there is something else, I'll post a video of that at a later date. But this is how I'm doing it right now. I couldn't find anything on the internet before, so this is how I'm doing it. Holding on to the sander and then just brushing it back and forth, and it takes everything off really fairly easy. It's not hard at all. You just have to hold on to that tile. It does move a little fast, and it is a little loud. So I went out on my balcony when I did this. You don't want to do this inside the house or in an enclosed area. You do want to be in the fresh air when you're doing this, and luckily it's still warm out here. I guess most people would do it out in their garage. And that's about how easy it is. I do hope you learned something here today. This is a preview of the mini tiles and with matching cards that will be in my Etsy shop in the weeks to come. And this here are the cards and tiles that have already been sold and delivered to my customers, and they seem to be very happy with what they're getting. And I hope you do visit us real soon.